Today here on the channel, I've got another fun video for you. We're starting another year-long hair growth test with my good friend Cody Branson of Flagship Pomade. If you haven't yet taken a look at the previous videos with hair tests that we've done, I just actually finished a year-long test with Cody in the Eye Restore laser helmet and kit, and to be honest, the results were okay. Some promising stuff, but nothing real big. I was then contacted by this brand, Scandinavian Biolabs, and they were interested in putting on another year-long test with their hair growth system, and of course we were all in. I think this is a really cool thing to test out. And I have done a video actually on Scandinavian Biolabs in the past, and I highly recommend you check that one out. It's got a lot of information. They have a great shampoo and conditioner and a serum, and real quick for this video, I'm going to give you a quick revisit to these in case you did miss that first one or you just need your memory refreshed. This is the Hair Strength Shampoo and Hair Recovery Conditioner. What they offer is naturally derived and 100% vegan ingredients to gently cleanse and nourish your damaged hair and scalp. It also moisturizes the scalp and hair to counter dry skin, all without using the things we're all supposed to be afraid of. You know what I'm talking about, those deadly sulfates and parabens. Instead of those scary things, they use specialized ingredients that they say were chosen after a rigorous review of scientific literature and an evaluation by a third-party lab to ensure quality. All the ingredients, according to their site, are 100% vegan, naturally derived, and non-toxic. They also have the serum here, and this thing is pretty different. It's got a lot of great ingredients in it, and it's a little bit different than other serums out there. We will talk about that in a second, but that is the final product in this kit. It's just 3 products, very easy to use, and once again, it's all filled with really incredible ingredients. I also encourage you to read about how this kit works on their site. There's a lot of research that has gone into it, and what I like about it is they've done that research. It's not just trust us, it works, or here's our device that we got made in China, it totally works. Everything here is based in science and biology. Moving on now to actually using this kit. This is the other thing that I like about it, honestly. It takes no time to use at all. I wash my hair every day anyway, so this works really well and it works easy. It cleanses the hair fully, it does everything you want it to do as a cleanser, but you have that added benefit of getting all that health on top of it. The conditioner is also just as good in my opinion. It's bringing in all those awesome ingredients while making the hair feel incredible. Here's a fully washed and dried result after using both of these products for you. Now though, let's revert back to that serum, and this one is the weirdo of the bunch. I said it was a little different. It's got some great stuff in it like the others, of course, and obviously that's not what makes it a weirdo product. What I'm talking about here is the fact that it actually heats up on your head after you apply it. It actually gets hot, and I'll be honest, the first time you use it, it can be a bit surprising. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's like, how hot is this thing gonna get? How long is it gonna go? But you do tend to get used to it after you use it a couple of times. What you do is you put 2 droppers full of the serum into your hair, making sure you get it into your scalp. You really want to concentrate it on your scalp, and then you run it around with your fingers, and that's pretty much it. You let it sit on your scalp for at least 8 hours before you rinse or wash it out. And they say you do want to let it sit at least 8 hours before you rinse or wash it out. I like to do it either on a day I know for sure I'll be in my hat all day, or sometimes I'll do it before bed and I'll just sleep in it. As far as the study goes, you guys are already familiar with Cody Branson, and if you saw the end of the Eye Restore year-long test, you know already where pretty much we're starting with this year-long test. And this is his official before shot, so you guys can see where we are starting this test. He's got the same exact kit as me, and we'll be using only this kit and nothing else. And what I'll be doing along the way is I'll be doing a check-in every 3 months to see how this kit is working for him in his hair growth, and we'll get a look at what it's doing to help him out. Just like the other tests too, we will report anything we see, good or bad. In the meantime too, if any of you want to check out this kit and join us in the year-long test, I'd love to see what results you guys achieve out there, and you can find this kit and the rest of the lineup from Scandinavian Biolabs in the description down below. That though is all I got for you today. Thanks so much for joining me on the channel today and checking this out with me. I will be back real soon with a very cool announcement, so make sure you hit the subscribe button for me and you got your notifications turned on so you can get that new video right when it comes out. And until then, as always, take it easy. I'll see you next time.